Ford certified and 5-speed automatic with overdrive. Wow! What a sweetheart! Isn't it time for a Ford? Imagine yourself behind the wheel of this fantastic 2009 Ford Fusion. J.D. Power and Associates gave the 2009 Fusion 4.5 out of 5 power circles for overall initial quality. Climb into the superb Fusion, knowing that it will always get you where you need to go, on time, every time. New Car Test Drive called it. Rock solid entry at a decent price. It handles well, looks purposeful and delivers good value for the money. Ford certified pre-owned means you not only get the reassurance of a 12,000-mile comprehensive warranty, but also up to a 7-year-100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, a 172-point inspection reconditioning, 24/7 roadside assistance, trip interruption services, rental car benefits, and a complete Carfax vehicle history report. If the Chapman emblem isn't on the back of your vehicle, you probably paid too much.